Here we divide 639 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 3 and it is 13. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 9 and it is 39. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we take 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 639 divided by 5 is 127.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.